All right, just looking at the new beauty. So pretty. She's going to be working today, though. We got plants going in. We got moss rock boulders. So moss rock's going to go all the way around the side there. But we're going to get a really, really big boulder, about that big, going there, right in the corner there. The other side of the tree over there, and moss rock going all the way around in a big circle, all the way through. We got plants. We're going to put river rock. And the reason we're doing this is because the grass wouldn't grow. The trees, 1, 2, 3, are just way too big. And we're probably going to have to come back here soon to do this area because it's starting to thin out a lot right now. But we're just kind of holding off to see if maybe we can get that to grow a bit more. But all this shade, too much for any type of grass to grow very effectively. So basically we're going to go with a lower maintenance, softscape, hardscape type deal with some rocks, but also with plants. So that way it looks good. We've got irrigation that's getting set up over here to water everything. So it's automated. Nice curvy borders going all the way around the side here. And then we're going to have lights. So something they added last minute, great little upsell, lights on all the trees up here. So that way we can light the front up here, and that is going to look really, really good. So excited about this one. Should be all finished up on Monday.